Months after he was charged, weeks after he applied to have his identity suppressed, finally the veil of secrecy is shattered. Bruce Lehrmann can be revealed as the man facing 2 counts of rape in Toowoomba. The media now allowed to speak his name, but still he and his lawyers remain silent.
Your client's name is now out there. What's his reaction going to be?
Mr Lehrmann wasn't at court for the hearing or any court hearing since he was charged in December last year. The charges relate to an incident alleged to have occurred in October 2021. Prior to October this year, laws prevented media organisations from naming anyone charged with a sexual offence until they were committed to stand trial or sentence. His lawyers made an application for a non-publication order before the new laws came into effect, and a hearing was held in the Toowoomba Magistrates Court 2 weeks ago. When that application was rejected, they appealed to the Supreme Court. Finally, after a legal battle between media, police and Lehrmann's lawyers, the application was dismissed again.
This is a great outcome for these new laws. It brings Queensland into line with pretty much every other jurisdiction within Australia.
Mr Lehrmann's lawyers argue the 28-year-old's mental health would have been affected if he was identified. But the barrister representing several media outlets, including the ABC, Rob Anderson KC, argued that on 3 occasions this year, Mr Lehrmann was interviewed by 2 major media companies, including Channel 7's Spotlight program. During today's hearing, Justice Peter Applegarth said, "I hope Channel 7 paid him or the solicitor a lot of money for the consequences it has had on this application, if nothing else." Given the state of the evidence, it was open to a reasonable decision maker to not be satisfied that the non-publication order was necessary to protect the safety of the applicant. Mr Lehrmann's criminal matter will be heard again in the Toowoomba Magistrates Court next month. His lawyers have indicated he intends to defend the charges. Laura Lavelle, ABC News, Brisbane.